Hey everyone, how's it going? I hope you guys are having a good one. So we have some more news in the saga of Victoria Goodwin, the soon-to-be former wife of Ghost Adventures star Aaron Goodwin. As we know, last we left Victoria Goodwin, she prosecutors basically said, "Listen, we're willing to drop one charge of attempted murder to conspiracy to commit murder." Okay, so um, I by the way, I say unaliving in some videos. I'm not monetized or anything, so I don't think it would matter too much if I said murder, but I want to get used to saying unaliving. But this video, I'm just going to say murder because I've already said it. But this article was written by Alan Riquelme, and it's from Courthouse News. Basically, what this is going to entail is it's going to talk about her pleading guilty to this because she has pleaded guilty to this as per the agreement with the prosecutor. And we're going to learn about how long she may possibly be in jail. That's the key word there, possibly, if she may go. And the fines maybe, and then as well as the sentencing date. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into it. Wife of Ghost Adventure star pleads guilty to plotting husband's murder. Okay, this was published on the 22nd of April. So about 4 days ago, 5 days ago, something like that. What is today? 7th. Okay. So here is the article. There's Victoria here. And this is her lawyer. So, the wife of ghost hunting reality TV star accused of trying to have her husband killed pleaded guilty Tuesday, just days after filing court document indicating her intention to enter a plea. And this is what we heard from the last video that I did. Victoria Goodwin, 32, pleaded guilty to conspiracy to commit murder before 8th Judicial District Judge Nadia Krall in Las Vegas. As part of the deal, prosecutors dropped the charge of solicitation to commit murder. So I thought it was attempted, but solicitation. Goodwin, who faces between 2 and 10 years incarceration and up to a $500,000 fine, remained in jail Tuesday. Her sentencing is set for June 5th. So it seems like, obviously, here 2 to 10 years in jail. I think maybe she will. I don't think she'll get the max. She seems to be cooperating with everything. She's a first-time offender, it seems. So it's possible she could get 2, maybe like a smaller fine than that. I don't know anything about law or anything like that, but knowing that she has never been involved, or at least I don't think she's been involved in anything like this before, I would say there will probably be some leniency there. And typically for women, it seems like there's more of a leniency there for women as opposed to men, just overall in the jail system. But prosecutors have said Goodwin conspired with a Florida inmate to have her husband, Ghost Adventure star Aaron Goodwin, killed. Police reports stated that she and the inmate texted a message over Facebook discussing details of her husband's whereabouts and how she'd pay for the hit. She was arrested on March 6th, and the prosecutor said Tuesday that he dropped the charge of solicitation to commit murder in exchange for a guilty plea. Additionally, his office will make no recommendation on her sentence, which could include probation. However, the prosecutor could argue facts that and circumstances of the offense at her sentencing. Here we have some more. Victoria Goodwin spoke softly when answering questions from the judge. As part of the plea, Krall asked a series of questions to determine if Goodwin understood legal proceedings and was entering her plea voluntarily. Goodwin gave short answers. At one point, she said she suffered from complex post-traumatic stress disorder. Of course she did. A condition that can occur after repeated trauma is experienced. Goodwin said she's on medication for the condition, but that did not affect her ability to comprehend the proceedings. The accusations appeared to come as a shock to Aaron Goodwin, who on Valentine's Day posted on Instagram a photo of his wife playing mini golf. Okay, so this stuff we don't really need to know. This is just him basically saying he filed for divorce, and the rest of this is going to be what we know, the events that led up to this. So, yeah, it seems like since she's cooperating pretty well, they're probably not going to throw the book at her or anything. So I would say she'd probably get the lighter side of the sentencing, and that was like June 5th. So I don't think she is set on bond or anything. I think she'll remain in jail. If she is, it's like really high. I think she was before, but I don't know if she is now. Has it said anything? At least I don't think it did. But yeah, that's pretty much all we have. Again, I'm going to cover this up to its completion, but it's not going to be like a crazy case or anything. So I think she's just going to get the minimal sentencing and see maybe possible probation, which I do think she should get jail time for what she's done, at least up to 2 years, because that was the minimum. She definitely needs to have the fine as well, but that's my opinion. I don't really have anything else to say about this. I'm going to cover her sentencing, which is set for June 5th. I'll probably be 4 days late like I am now, or 5 days late now. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got. If you're interested in this, thank you for watching. I know it's not too exciting, but hey, it's fun for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. Got nothing else to say. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you disliked it, leave a dislike. Subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.